Guys, Vibes Unknown here, and today in this video I'll be doing a football challenge with Vibes Gamer, who is holding the camera for me, so good job to him. And we're doing the Woodwork challenge. If you don't know what it is, first one you've got to hit the left post, second one crossbar, third one right post. First one to hit it all three wins. Oh yeah, right, so I'm up first, going for the left post.
The Pussy Destroyer. Oh, by the way, I'm going for the right. I told you I was going middle.
You know what? Because Vipers Gamer went for the right, I'm going for the right and all.
Okay, I'm going for the right again. If I miss this, I'm never going to play Gears of War again. Play Gears 4.
Going for the crossbar.
Yo, guys, don't tell me I told you this, but he's actually bad at football. He thinks he's good, but he ain't. So, yeah, just don't tell him I told you that. He's coming back now, so I'm gonna go.
Where are you going?
Wherever the ball goes.
Going for the crossbar again.
Oh, motherfucker.
As you can see,
I
Vipers
stood
Gamer.
up and it literally sounded like my knee snapped in half and I literally can't stand.
So
Oh,
that's
my
the
God.
that's sort of the end of Vipers Gamer.
Oh, rip Vipers Gamer. Oh, I'll just have to like Karate Kid it. Ah, yes. Oh.
Right, he's ready for it. He's going to try it.
Oh, my elbow.
It didn't even make it to the goal.
Yeah, well, sorry, some of us are injured.
So,
More of the story, kids, don't go outside, just sit at home on your consoles.
yeah, just take advice from me if you don't want to get injured. R.I.P. Vipers Gamer. R.I.P. Vipers Gamer.
So, as you guys just saw, I injured my right leg, and that's bad for me because I use my right, so I'm going to try my left. Crossbar, let's go. Ow. Ow. Oh.
R.I.P. in the comments. Alright, since Luke took it with his left foot, I'm going to be a fair guy and use my left foot and all. And just to let you know, I don't have a left foot. I can use it for passing, just not shooting. I was just... I told you, no left foot.
So going back to my right leg now, even though it's injured, you can't let that bring you down in life. If you're in a wheelchair, doesn't mean you can't climb a mountain. If you've got no legs, doesn't mean you can't run a marathon. You just got to put in the work and you can do it. So let's go. Crossbar. That hurt a lot.
It's a good goal. Alright, this is going to be the end of the video. Vipers Unknown. Vipers Gamer, who's injured really bad, so we've had to stop. And we are pretty bad. So, drop a like if you like the videos, like seeing us miss all the time. And please leave a like.